Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get top song playlist in every year on Spotify. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Spotify application on my mobile phone. And this is the end of the year guys, and the Spotify Wrapped is already launched. This is my Spotify Wrapped. And before I show you how we can get the top song playlist for this year, I'm going to show you my Spotify Wrapped for this year. I'm going to click on my Wrapped right here, and I'm going to go to the end part of my Wrapped. Okay, I'm just going to skip this part. I just want to show you my top songs, guys. Okay, these are my top songs for this year. There are 5 songs. And then I'm going to show you how we can get the top song playlist for this year. If we want to get the playlist, we can go back. And then we're going to go to the search menu right here. And just type in your top songs. Oops, sorry. Your top songs. Okay, and I'm going to select your top songs for 2024. Okay, and these are the songs which are in my top songs playlist, guys. This is the number one song. Okay, and then if you want to get the top song playlist in another year, you just need to type in the year you want to get. For example, I'm going to get the top song playlist in 2023. So we just need to search for the your top songs 2023. Okay, this one. All right, and I'm going to select your top songs 2023. Okay, and these are the top songs in 2023 on my Spotify. Okay, and I'm going to jump in 2022. Okay, these are the songs. And I'm going to check my 2021 as well, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to get top song playlist in every year on Spotify. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.